I almost totaled out the truck. It's a neighbor of ours. They always wave. I don't know if that was them in the car backing out or if it was a visitor. But boy, they were coming out in a hurry. I don't have my sunglasses either. Those are Mercy's. I'll tell you this much. I love this truck. I cannot stand driving it whenever I'm sore, if I just worked out, or if I just worked a few days and my body's sore trying to recover. My shoulders, woo. Yeah, if that makes sense. Let's take a back road. I don't think I've ever been this way. For those that don't know, I have had a major surgery on one of my shoulders. Had an incident in law enforcement, and that was that. Well, I got two big things to talk about. First one, I got real Ray-Ban lenses from Italy, made just for me, for these like 15-year-old frames, down at the Sunglass Hut, and they were like $40. I just had to brag. We're having a moment of silence for the people that don't care. Okay, back at it. I got the car ready to go. The gas tank is strapped in, not with the original straps. I don't know why they're not working, but it's ratchet strapped in. The car's ready. Key thing here, all the grounds. There's two on the driver's side. There's actually three. And then there's two on the passenger side. I have them all grounded through jumper cables to the frame and to the battery ground directly, which is a frame mount that's pinched together. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fire this bad thing up. My neighbor's done come over, Richard, nice older fella, and he's excited to see it. He just went to town, so I'm gonna go test drive it and see how it goes. And then maybe later we'll take him for a cruise in it. Yeah, I'm excited. Let's get this thing out of here and see how she goes. So this is what we're looking at. Let's take it down the road. I'm hoping that my contraption holds the battery. That's my critical moment here. And if I have a loose ground that comes undone, we may be, dying on the side of the road. This car is registered and insured. So this stick is critical here, keeping this box up. The battery is kind of saddled, but I have used a strap to support the weight, and it's up to the firewall. Let's just give her a go, see how it goes. I've got a little issue. My battery and stuff has decided to sag out. I gotta get this thing back to the shop. I'm on the back property back here. We'll see. I should be able to ease it back. Got some water right here. Smells like water, so I'm assuming, I don't know where that came from. It's been in the shop for a week. All I know is the traction control works. I had to turn that off, and it still feels like it's trying to kick in a little bit. She's spinning. Wasn't engaging over here. I'm pretty happy with it. I'm very pleased. This thing's running like a top. Let's check out this coolant situation. It's perfect. Absolutely perfect. Got a low battery on the drone. Set her up for a nice landing. Woo, that gimbal's amazing. Yes, sir. Thank you, Jesus. I crashed this the other day and had to replace all my props. Had to fix the arm. So I'm very thankful that that went well. Alright, boys and girls, I cut my finger severely trying to do some work on this car, and I can't show you the aftermath because of YouTube, and oops, sorry. I don't feel like getting in trouble on, the internet, but now you can see it. I laid a 4.5 inch grinding disc straight into my finger, about that deep. And it bled and bled, and it was not nice. On other news, I got the car ready to come apart. I believe I've gotten all the chassis grounds, everything. There might be one hiding up under from the body to the chassis that I didn't see. But everything's stripped. We should be good to go. I'm gonna try to position this lift right in here. I mean, you can see it's not even, she's moving on us. So let me do that. And just a little FYI, this thing is set in here for about 2 weeks. Look at that. There's like 2 inches of water still down in there. So yeah, nasty. All right, let's work on doing this. All right, you're getting a time lapse. I hope you like that. See if you can tell a difference real quick. If you can, leave it in the comments. I'm gonna stand in a dark location and check this out. Oh Jesus. Okay. I'm blinded severely. I got a light for the top of my GoPro. That's pretty good. This is the lowest setting, and without the little cover, it does have a cover to help us out. Holy cow. This should help drastically. So let's check out the engine bay. Wow. It's the little things. That light was like 60 bucks. I got it when I got the camera. I just hadn't set it up. So money well spent a while back. Anyways, let's try to get this car in the air. I'm getting carried away. this day gets great. I just cut into my gas tank like a jackwagon. Happier than mule eating briars. Jeez. Right there. I had just a touch of metal, went too far. Stupidity on my end. It sucks. I can put a tank in, it's not a big deal. I didn't want to put a tank in it. Let's just be honest. That was not part of my my repertoire today. So she's leaking, and yeah, there's about 19 gallons in that tank. So we're gonna have 19 gallons of gas all over this floor. Oh.